Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Shopify Privacy Policy Generator for free. Let's get started. Or just to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here to our settings. And then from in there, we can see the left sidebar. So scroll all the way down on that. And from there, you should be able to see the policies. Under the policies, you should be able to see in here some store policy like return policy, return and refund, privacy policy right here. So as you can see, it's blank right there. So what we can do in order to put some terms right here is to head over and click on this create template right here. Once you click on that, as you can see, it will generate this one. So as you can see, this one has been enabled or it has been created from Shopify itself. So you can edit it out however you want. Like for example, on the date right here, let's put in here April 2. And then in here, you can also edit out some typical things, like for example, some things that we see that they have on the open parenthesis columns right there. And you can also just choose which ones that is actually applicable to you. As you can see, they have this a note to merchant. Insert the following sentence as you usually Shopify services. And in here, you can also see the categories and all of this ones that are highlighted in yellow. You need to actually edit it out in order to integrate or put in your own style for your own business. So from in there, click on save right there. Now once you have saved that, close that. Now let's head over to our online store and then from in there, click on the navigation right there. So click on it and then from in here, you should be able to see your menus. Click on this main menu right here and then click on add menu item and then let's name it privacy policy. So let's name it like that. And then in here, you just need to look for the policies. Click on it. And in here, you can see the privacy policy. So click on that and then click on add right here. And as you can see, it's been added. So click on save. And once you have saved that, it should be able to show on your account. So let's see what it looks like on our online store. So on my online store, I have this privacy policy right now. So click on it. And then as you can see, we can now see the privacy policy that we have generated. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.